Hey everyone, welcome back to Turn Offroad. Today we're going to be taking you through the installation and unboxing of our heat dispersion hood for the Ford Bronco. We'll show you exactly all the tools you need, what comes in the box, and how easy this install is. This particular installation will take an extra set of hands, so make sure you call a buddy and we'll dive right in. All right, so the first step is to unbox your hood. So you want to make sure that when you unbox it, you're careful with it and you don't cause any damage. Once you get it out of the box, inspect it for any damages that it might have had during shipment before you install it. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. For this particular step, you should only need a nice blade and a nice drill. Turn this bad boy around.
All right, guys, now that we got the hood out of the crate, we're gonna go ahead and open it up and inspect it, make sure it's not damaged in any way. Some fancy shit going on here. I'm gonna take all the saran wrap off, try not to scratch the hood itself, just be very careful. All right, guys, once you got the hood fully unwrapped, go around and check all the corners, check the hood out, make sure there's no damage to it. So look underneath it, check all the corners, the face of it, make sure there's no scratches or anything like that. Go ahead and flip it over. Ooh, look at that shine. Do the same thing, inspect the top, just make sure there's nothing damaged, anything like that, and you're good to go. All right, once you got your hood all inspected, we're gonna go ahead and prep it to get it on your Bronco. So first off, it's gonna come with all the hardware that you need to install it. So they're all gonna be 11mm bolts, so you're gonna need an 11mm wrench to install your hood. The other things is it's got these vent holes here underneath the hood, and we're gonna actually bend these vent holes down to create airflow inside. So you can go ahead and do that first as well. Go ahead and bend these down as well. So this is gonna create airflow inside of the engine bay as you're driving. All right, so next step is gonna be removing the stock latch here and putting it on your new hood. To do that, you need a 10mm wrench to get these bolts off. So now you're gonna attach this to our hood. It comes with all the hardware again. All our hardware is gonna be 11mm. So you can go ahead and take those out. All right, now you're gonna install your OEM hood latch onto your new hood. Make sure to snug it down pretty good. All right, now that your new hood is prepped, we'll go ahead and we'll take off the old hood. Now that we got our new hood prepped, we're gonna take off our old hood off the Bronco. This takes a 13mm wrench and a friend, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this old hood. Baby, come my way. All right, guys, now we're gonna install the brand new hood. So for this step, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put the hood support inside to kind of help you out here. Give you a little bit extra support while you're doing this. And kind of set it in there. Get your hardware started. So your hood's gonna come with all the necessary hardware as well as these big washers. The washers do go on the outside of the bracket. Once you're installing all the hardware, you wanna make sure to leave it somewhat loose, close the hood, make sure everything's aligned correctly, and then go back and tighten everything up. All right, guys, now that we have the hood snug or loosely attached to the brackets, if you come over here, you can tell that the hood is very far over on this side. It's actually over the fender itself. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna close the hood and align it on each side properly. So you can obviously move this hood quite a bit. You wanna close it and kind of shimmy it around, making sure that all these gaps are even on both sides. Once you have that done and you like where the gaps are on the hood, you can go ahead and just reopen it back up. Put your arm back into place, and you can pretty much go ahead and tighten the hood and then assess and make sure that everything is still aligned. All right, now that we got all the hardware tightened, you want to tighten that hardware pretty tight, but not overly tight where you crack the fiberglass or anything like that. So use your best discretion on that, but just tighten it enough. And then you want to go ahead and close the hood, making sure that all your gaps are where you wanted them to be on both sides. And also making sure that the hood closes properly. All right, guys, now that you got your hood all installed, we do ship these things with a prime to paint smooth finish here, so you can paint it, wrap it, do whatever you like to it, make it match your Bronco. The reason we designed this hood is because we got these giant air vents here in the top. These are gonna allow a lot more airflow into the engine bay of your Bronco, bringing this air through these vents, cooling everything off, making sure it all stays cool in your off-road or your daily driving uses. All right, guys, so this just gives your Bronco a more off-road Baja look. So that's the complete install on our brand new fiberglass hood here at Turn Off-Road. We're gonna pass it off to George. He's gonna finish you guys up.
All right, so that completes our installation on our heat dispersion hood for the Ford Bronco. If you guys have any questions about this product or any other product, make sure you send us an email at info@turnoffroad.com. And if you want to see what else we're getting into, make sure you check out all our social media for new product drops, trail runs, and future events. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.